If you've ever tried to make a professional presentation using ChatGPT, you know that it can be a bit tricky. First, you have to generate the content, then copy and paste it into each slide, format everything, and by the end of the day, the content and the design just aren't quite there. So today, I'm going to show you an alternative approach that I've tried and I think you'll really like, especially if you need a high-quality professional presentation for your business, to pitch an idea, or even to generate a report or a proposal. So you have to go to this website called Chronicle, which recently went viral on X. Just head over to chroniclehq.com in your browser. It's pretty new, so not a lot of people know about it yet, but I've tested it to see how it works and I'm going to show it to you in this video because I think you'll be very surprised by what it can do and what makes it different from other AI presentation makers. Right now, the free plan gives you 50 tokens, and if you find it useful, you can upgrade it to get up to 500 tokens per month. It takes 10 tokens to generate a presentation, so with the free plan you could create up to 5 decks. And they also have a referral program, so that means that if you invite your friends to join, you could get extra credits for that. Okay, so once you're logged in, you'll have 3 different options. You can either paste text from your own documents or notes, you can generate a presentation from a prompt, or you can import from URL, which means that you could probably copy a news article or your website to generate a presentation. You can also start from scratch if you just want a blank document. For now, let's click on Generate from Prompt. I want to create a company overview deck so I can present my company to a potential client. So I'll ask it to include the basics, my company's vision, the core services, and a few case studies. I also need a slide for my team and contact details. If you like, you can choose a template from all of these options. Then select the number of chapters, which is the number of slides. You can preserve the text or select a creative rewrite. And finally, select your language. I'll keep it as English. Click on Continue and Chronicle will analyze your content and create an outline. Chapters are like slides in PowerPoint. You can move this around, add content to each of them, and from this panel over here, you can even select a new design. I think I'll go with this one. Once you're happy with this outline, simply click on Generate Presentation. And look at that, in just a few seconds the whole presentation is done. And honestly, I think it looks really good. I love how professional it feels and the minimal design approach is spot on. The layouts are clean and modern, and all of these are text placeholders that I can later fill with my own content, which will be super easy. Now this already looks good, but here's what makes Chronicle different from other AI presentation makers. Everything is built using widgets. That means that you can move things around, resize elements, and customize the layout however you like by dragging them around. If you click on Insert here at the bottom, you can add widgets to your slide. There are image placeholders, for example, or there are also mockups for devices like iPhones, iPads, and even social media posts, so you can add your own images to them. The design is fluid, which means that if you make one of the elements larger, it will push the rest of them to ensure your design is always perfect. I think this deck is missing a quote slide, so I click on Blank Chapter to add a blank canvas, and then you can start adding widgets with your content. So just click on Insert, then select Quote. And now I can move this widget exactly to where I want this to be. I can also change its size by clicking here and then selecting large. And over here you can change the style as well. So I'll just choose no fill because I think that will look very professional and modern. I'll also add an image placeholder on the right hand side. So I'll just go to Insert, select Image, and here I'll pick a basic image placeholder. This image is very easy to replace, you just have to click here and select one from your files. Now, part of the customization magic is this option called Remix. If you don't love the design of a slide, just click Remix here at the bottom and you'll get a bunch of different layouts to choose from. It even transforms the content to match your new layout. For example, let's say that this slide feels too crowded. I'll use Remix to turn it into a key statement instead. So just click on Remix and here you can browse a bunch of different layouts. There's one called Key Statement, which is the one that I'm gonna choose. And then click on Remix. And just like that, the content is reformatted and the slide becomes much more impactful. If you need to rewrite any of your content, that's easy as well. You just have to select the text, then click on this icon, and here you can adjust the tone to make it a little bit more inspirational, more motivational, or whatever you need. Of course, you can also change the font, the color, or the alignment. If you click on theme, you can choose a different appearance for the whole document. At the moment, there are all of these themes to choose from, and they all look very clean and professional. So just choose one that you think aligns better with your content. I really like the colors on the forest one, so I'll choose that one for my deck. And just look how good this looks. Once your deck is ready, it's time to share it. So just click on share, and here you can add email addresses to invite people to either view or to edit the deck, which is super handy if you're collaborating. And a super cool feature is that you can also publish it to convert it into a website. So just click on publish, and your chronicle will be displayed as a one-pager. So now you can simply copy the link to share it, and that's it. If you want to download it as a PDF instead, just click on these three dots over here and then click on export PDF, and that's it. So that's it. That's how easy and quickly you can make a professional presentation with AI using Chronicle. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to try it out for free, and I'll see you in my next video.